Imagine the dead of night, specifically to 17 a.m., in a quiet, dimly lit room. Radar operators are staring at their screens, their faces lit by the green glow. Suddenly, a blip appears. Something has just entered Earth's atmosphere. This isn't unusual. Space debris, meteors, and satellites re-enter all the time. But this was different. The object's trajectory was strange. Its speed inconsistent. It wasn't behaving like a natural meteor, which typically burns up in a fiery streak. It also wasn't matching the known orbital decay of any satellite. The operators tracked it, their confusion growing with every passing second. Standard procedure would be to identify the object, predict its impact or burn-up point, and file a report. But this object defied all known classifications. What was truly baffling, though, wasn't just its entry, but what happened next. Or, rather, what didn't happen. The object never left a debris trail. It didn't crash. It didn't re-emerge from the atmosphere to continue in orbit. After a period of erratic movement deep within our atmospheric blanket, the signal simply vanished. It was as if it had dissolved into thin air. One moment, it was a solid object, tracked by the most sensitive equipment on the planet. The next, it was gone. Gone, without a trace. This event has become one of the most perplexing modern mysteries in atmospheric and space observation. Official reports are scarce, and the data remains classified or heavily redacted. This has, of course, fueled endless speculation. Was it a top-secret military craft from another nation, testing technology far beyond what is publicly known? Or perhaps a private entity with a revolutionary propulsion system? The more tantalizing theories, however, point outwards, to the stars. Could it have been an extraterrestrial probe, a scout ship from a civilization we can't yet comprehend? Think about it. A probe designed not to make contact, but simply to observe. It would need to enter our atmosphere undetected, gather data, and then disappear without a trace. A stealthy entry, a period of data collection, and a silent exit or self-destruction to avoid leaving any evidence. It's a scenario straight out of science fiction, yet it fits the bizarre facts of this case perfectly. We are constantly bombarded by signals from space. Most of these are natural cosmic phenomena. Pulsars spinning like cosmic lighthouses, quasars blasting out energy from the edge of the universe, or the faint, lingering echo of the Big Bang itself. These are the sounds of a living, breathing cosmos. We've built massive radio telescopes like the Arecibo Observatory or the FAST telescope in China. They're giant dishes pointed to the heavens. Listening, we're sifting through this cosmic noise, searching for a pattern, a message, something artificial. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, has been doing this for decades. They're looking for a signal that stands out from the background hum, a beacon intentionally sent by another intelligent species. One of the most famous candidates was the WOW signal in 1977. A radio telescope detected a powerful narrowband signal that lasted for 72 seconds and was so striking that the astronomer Jerry Emmons circled it on the printout and wrote, "Wow." Beside it, it came from the direction of the constellation Sagittarius, a region where no known planets or celestial bodies could have produced it. It was a perfect candidate for an alien message. And just like the object that vanished in our atmosphere, the WOW signal was never detected again. So we have these two parallel mysteries. One, a physical object that enters our world and disappears. The other, a powerful, intelligent-looking signal from deep space that appears once and then falls silent. Are they connected? Could the transient object have been the source or the recipient of such a fleeting message? We don't have the answers. The data is incomplete. The events are isolated, and the silence that follows is deafening. It leaves us to wonder what else is out there, passing through our skies and our data streams, unnoticed. How many other signals have we missed? How many other objects have slipped through the cracks in our surveillance? This incident at 2:17 a.m. is a chilling reminder that we may not be alone, and that the visitors, if they exist, might not want to be found. The mystery isn't just about what entered our atmosphere, it's about the vast, unknown possibilities that it represents. It's a cosmic question mark, hanging right over our heads. Thanks for watching. If you find these kinds of mysteries as fascinating as I do, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more deep dives into the unknown. We'll see you in the next one.